You're recording.
I don't see it.
You're recording.
Oh, I see it. Hey, nobodies. Hey, nobodies. Hey, nobodies. Hey, nobodies. Hey, guys. Hey. Hey, guys. Hey. You guys, guess what we're doing?
We're eating.
We're eating, but we're also traveling. Right now, we're in South Carolina, guys. We're headed to Fayettieville, North Carolina with my sister and brother. So we stopped to get something to eat. It is now 11:24, so we're stopping for lunch, guys. We got about 3 more hours to drive before we get there. So the kids got McDonald's. Aiden, what are you eating?
Fries.
Aiden got chicken nugget meal. What?
Oh, that's a nugget.
Oh, you thought I ain't giving nuggets? I got me some KFC chicken strips with mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese.
It's hot.
You better eat them chicken nuggets. You playing around? You want your snack? You better eat. Y'all tried to get me some and while I was ordering the kids' food from McDonald's, I was trying to get the cream cheese. What is the cream? What I said it was? What? Huh?
Cream something pie.
The little cream pie guys, and I ordered 2 of them. I guess I didn't need it because they didn't put it on there. So I'm really thinking about going back for my strawberry pies.
You don't need them.
They are so good.
You don't need them.
I don't need them today. I guess that's why they didn't make it on the order, huh? I didn't need them. But guys, I got me some chicken strips. Got some chicken strips, mashed potatoes, and macaroni and cheese. I don't want the biscuit, even though it's good and hot.
Ooh, no.
That'd be good with some jelly. You want it? Huh?
When I get done with it. This will be good.
Them biscuits. Yeah, a lot of people like their biscuits, but ooh, I got some ranch today. I got ranch. Got some hot sauce. You gotta open these. Let them cool off. They be so hot.
And breakfast just started?
Lunch. That's why it's so fresh too. I think when I worked at KFC used to open up at 10 o'clock. I think they still open up at 10. I don't know about in that.
They don't serve breakfast, do they?
They
don't serve breakfast, do they?
KFC?
Yeah. That's why it was like Dairy Queen is.
They open at 10 also?
Yeah, because they don't serve breakfast.
Here. What you doing, girl?
I'll put some mac and cheese.
If you want some, you should have ordered some.
I'm gonna be done.
All right, guys.
I don't know if my stomach getting used to it, but my stomach don't eat as much.
No, ain't no more of that hot sauce. Okay.
It don't eat as much as it used to do.
Chicken strips. Oh, check that out, guys.
See, my stomach
You got
got
chicken strips,
small.
Mom?
The sun's shining.
Mama?
Can y'all see me pretty good?
You got chicken strips?
That's my daughter. She trying to hide. Tell them, hey, Naya. Y'all see that back there? Got my sidekick. Aiden. All right. You open one of the ranch? I want to try the ranch. I never eat ranch with my own.
Mom,
Oh, I
can
should.
try your chicken?
Sure, I should have got some honey.
Honey.
Yeah, some honey.
When that was corny.
No, it wouldn't. See that? You corny.
No, it wasn't that corny.
No way.
Mom, can I
He
try
made me so sick. Huh?
Can I try potato?
And you got potatoes. You got french fries.
Where?
Your french fries are potatoes.
Eat them.
Y'all say the blessing.
I did.
I don't have any potatoes.
Yes, on your own.
In Jesus' name, pray. Amen, amen, amen. Amen. Get it, like, I don't waste my food. Y'all failed for a moment.
Oh, ain't time right there.
I see it, no. Don't wait. Go. Gotta bring it up some so they can see. On that. Make sure it don't hit that. It's gotta be an easy way to open that though. Y'all, we back. Y'all fell down for a minute, y'all. My bad. My bad.
Don't touch it no more.
I leave like that.
You trying to get everybody in the camera?
Trying to turn it some other way. Do something. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me give y'all a bite of chicken strip with ranch. Take a bite.
It's so good, right?
That rent's okay.
What you got, ranch or nuggets?
Who?
You.
He got both of those. That ranch okay. You know how some ranches don't be really good, y'all. Who got ranch? Aiden got ranch?
Yes.
Aiden, I want to try your ranch.
Taste from McDonald's.
It might taste better than KFC ranch.
I think KFC missed that ranch with tartar sauce.
I don't know why I thought this ride done been smooth.
Hmm.
I don't know why I thought the ride done been smooth.
It's been a good ride today. I haven't been sleepy. Like sometimes I get so sleepy on this ride, but I haven't been sleepy at all. It's been a good ride, and I took the back roads to get to Savannah and I-95, so that seemed like it was quicker.
Probably. They usually be like 4 hours.
Like when I took that back road to go see Dad, now you turn on Evergreen Road. That's the back road, and that's quicker than going through Osceola. So yeah, we're headed to Fayetteville, guys. Whoop whoop whoop. See there, you got extra sauce?
Both of them?
Yeah, that I can use in my chicken. Y'all done messed around and got me a Pepsi to drink.
Mom,
Woo!
It's not a diet.
A Pepsi, baby. I didn't say it was a diet.
I get a Pepsi.
And eat your food first, baby. And them chips, make sure you get out and get them chips. They all the way on the
Just
outside on the door.
a little bit.
Huh?
Mommy,
Oh, he did it?
A little bit.
I need-
Aiden, eat your food first.
You know them?
How many you gave you?
Like 5.
Give me those. I'll eat his nuggets.
Nah, come on.
He ain't gonna eat them.
You sure he's not gonna eat his
He's
nuggets?
I always want that fries.
Well, eat your fries, Aiden. Make sure you eat so you can get a snack.
Give me a sauce.
Ain't no.
I thought he had another one. I thought you had another one.
I do. I was just eating
I can't read back. Thank you.
No, that's not snack.
I didn't snap. He threw it in my hand. I didn't even grab it.
I want to say somebody snatched him when you the one about that doing wrong.
Who?
You.
Me.
Look,
Ain't us.
Tell you hush, punk.
you want
Chump.
chocolate?
Don't be touching on him.
Stop. Stop eating.
Oh, they can see Aiden. I can
Mm-hmm. They can see your big head too. Whatever. Hmm. I ain't had KFC in a long time. That's the Cadillac. Ain't nothing like a good old Pepsi. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo.
It's meat in my breakfast.
Dropping crumbs.
Missing.
So we got about 3 more hours to drive. By the time we make it, my sister will be out of work. Uh-oh, nah, you brought that up there. Am I going to see ya.
Good.
So we about to have a
Mom,
fit.
got 3 more hours?
We got 3 more hours to ride. We rolling. We're gonna have a good weekend. Just enjoying each other. It's gonna be plenty of laughter. My twin brother, he nothing but a clown.
Mom, that's my
living-
twin brother.
He ain't nothing but a clown. A straight clown. I'm gonna have to catch him on live. I'm gonna have to get him. I'm gonna have to put him on video.
Mommy, can I have the
He gonna act like he ain't
now?
wanna be on no watch, huh?
Can I have the
Give him some of that drink now. So Pepsi. He want Pepsi.
Hey, boy. Don't
First,
drop it. You done eating? Huh?
Not yet.
Not yet.
3 more hours.
We got 3 more hours. We got 3 more hours to ride, Aiden. That's right. And then we rolling, that's right. And then we'll be the auntie house.
Auntie Dinky.
Auntie thinking.
Mommy.
Oh, I said, what was it?
That's the fries. McDonald's fries or Checkers? I don't know. Checkers be having some good fries too.
They is.
What y'all think? McDonald's fries or Checkers?
Checkers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, like
Mm-hmm. McDonald's fries, alright. Something you have to catch them on get that, baby. What is it? See, I got 2 more chicken strips. You want them? I just leave them in the box and save them for later.
What's that noise?
Never know.
It's not as strong.
Ah!
You want your nuggets?
I'm not eating that.
You want your nuggets? You want your nuggets?
No.
No.
Just put them.
All right, guys, we about to get back on the
Can I
road.
eat them? Can I eat them?
You talking to us?
I'm talking to the family on the, that's watching us. We're about to get back on the road. I know I'm getting too full. I'm gonna take one more bite. I'm gonna take one more bite with the buffalo sauce.
I'ma leave the door open.
Ooh, no.
Oh.
That way it won't, waste. Put that in that trash too. Won't waste. You want this mac and cheese? So the potatoes
No,
for
I
Aiden.
want that potato.
I knew it. I just said it. Here. That's still hot. It's hot.
No, I can use it for it. Don't eat.
Nobody's not gonna feed you, boy. Be quiet. Goodness. He don't never hush. Never.
Look, give me. Look.
Not even in sleep, y'all. In his sleep, he's saying, Mama. I'm talking, just talking.
Right here. Get that fry.
Yeah. You know.
Don't say good.
Good, yeah.
Thank you.
I know it's more so greasy things.
I'm not greasing you.
That was good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Tell them bye.
Bye.
We'll catch you guys later with another video when I'm around my fam. When I'm around my family, y'all, these kids get on my nerves. See, they just called me corny back there. Look at this big old head, y'all. I'm gonna throw something and hit him right in the head. Now just say family, mama. When we get around our family, y'all, dog. They cute. I'm finna leave him right here at this little plaza and see who can pick him up.
I mean, we both got phones.
Huh?
We both got phones.
Oh, child, look at him. We both got phones. About time. You done eating?
No. Ain't nothing, huh?
All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And hit the bell button.
Hit the bell button. You heard my sidekick. Hit the bell button. Leave a comment down below, guys, and share us out. Share us out. All right. Peace, love, and blessings. So how do you stop it? That one.
Yes, Mom.